Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce a product that can transform how you use your tablet. Meet the KABCON Tablet Stand Holder, a versatile and adjustable stand designed for all your tablet needs. Let's dive into its features and see how it can enhance your daily activities. The KABCON Tablet Stand Holder is compatible with a wide range of devices, supporting tablets and phones from 4 to 14 inches. This includes popular models like the iPad Pro, Samsung Galaxy Tabs, and Kindle Fire. With such broad compatibility, this stand is perfect for anyone who owns multiple devices. One of the key features of this stand is its adjustable tightness. It comes with a 4mm Allen wrench that allows users to customize the tightness to their liking. This means you can set it to be as sturdy as you need, ensuring your device remains secure during use. Additionally, the stand offers adjustable angles for both vertical and horizontal viewing, making it versatile for any activity. Constructed from a spaceflight alloy alloy and high-strength alloy steel, the KABCON stand is both lightweight and durable. This sturdy design ensures it can handle daily use without wobbling or tipping over. However, it's important to note that the clamp is made of plastic, which may be a consideration for some users. This stand promotes a smart lifestyle by making it easier to engage in various activities. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, or working, the KABCON stand provides the support you need. Its flexibility makes it an excellent addition to any workspace or entertainment setup. In summary, the KABCON Tablet Stand Holder is a fantastic accessory that combines durability, adjustability, and compatibility. It's perfect for anyone looking to enhance their tablet experience. If you enjoyed this review, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more great content. Check out the link in the description to get your KABCON stand today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.